Umentri rangba ke Sorkar Jilla u Conrad ke sangma ringkat bat umentri ki kampo yeng ulba lakmen rumboi henin kesngi ublei ki lelit Jurip ke Surok pa NH06 haka Thaiñ Lumshnong kabalatwa haka khan terik mentau benai na ka jingjur palat uslap hadu ba artli ki kali bekentup ke trok pat kuwi kali red kilangam hapdeng Surok. Hadin ke Jurip kumjo bat ke review meeting bala pelong ha kli riat ringkat ki he ke district u Conrad ke sangma ulai thu bakat kum ke jingkhen bala dap shim lupa ulong bekila dap ai jingtep syaka sorkar badon kam kumba laispa klur tingka ban shnab yang ya ki bala do ni syakta bat halor kani ulong bawla dap banya krenru bat umentri kampo yeng kari u Amit Shah Ula pentep ru ba un Hiar Jurip sa Shakiway pat kijaka hamau sinram bot pat sa Sharilom Garo.
Right now at Lumshnong, about 1 kilometer from Lumshnong where the landslide has taken place, and all the officials including our Honorable Home Minister and other officials are here from the administration, from PWD as well as from National Highway Authority of India. And of course, all efforts are being made to restore the entire road and get the accessibility through. But as you can see that there's a huge challenge. The rain is not stopping, but has come down, but it's still raining quite heavily. And so therefore we are hopeful that as the rain recedes and as the efforts are made to divert the flow of the water from the areas which are affecting the road connectivity, we should be able to restore some parts of the road in the next 24 hours and see some kind of movement for light motor vehicles also through this road itself. And we are hopeful that if the rains reduce and we are able to work, then in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we should be able to see some movement of the heavy vehicles, especially the essential commodities, moving ahead in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, again depending on the rain conditions. We are able to work, then in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we should be able to see some movement of the heavy vehicles, especially the essential commodities, moving ahead in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, again depending on the rain conditions. But in the meantime, we have also made an alternative route from the side going through some private land, which is allowing the small and lighter vehicle movements to take place. And so that is one thing that has already happened. The team has been working overtime, and all the efforts are being made from all agencies to ensure that not just the road is cleared, but also to ensure that any kind of support or relief material to be given to the people who are stuck along the highway is also being provided by the administration. I would like to thank the administration, the departments, and also the companies and the NGOs and other organizations that have been supporting and coming together in a difficult time like this to really help the people. And I'm sure that with all the efforts put together, that we will be very shortly be able to bring back things to normalcy. So that is the condition right now, and we're hopeful that in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we should be able to see movement of more vehicles to this road. Thank you. हम लोग कोशिश करें, ठीक है? आप लोग थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखिए, ठीक है? थोड़ा समझ रखिए. हम लोग जितना हो सकता है हम लोग वो करेंगे, और जो भी आपको खाने का कुछ भी होगा, हाँ वैसे हो सकता है कि आपको चिकन बिरयानी ना मिले, लेकिन आपको
खाने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, पैसा भी नहीं है सबके पास, और
पैसे के बारे में तो मैं नहीं कह सकता, लेकिन खाने के लिए और पानी के लिए ना,
खाना पानी.
ओके, ये अभिलाष जी जल्दी से चलेंगे. ओके ओके, ठीक है, आप लोग जो रखिए, हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? जितनी जल्दी.